In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Zendesk tickets. Whether you're looking to analyze data, keep a record, or simply organize the information, exporting tickets can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and take this step-by-step journey together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, look for the Tickets section in your dashboard. It's usually located prominently, so it won't take much time to find. Clicking on Tickets will direct you to a page where all your support requests, conversations, and interactions are neatly listed. Now, while you're on the Tickets page, direct your attention to the top or upper part of the interface. Here, you'll find a button labeled Actions. By clicking on Actions, you will open up a menu with further options. This menu is essential because it provides additional features that Zendesk offers for managing your tickets. Now let's proceed to the core part of today's guide. Within the Actions menu, you should see an option that reads Export as CSV. Selecting this option might seem straightforward, but it leads to a very important next step. When you click on Export as CSV, Zendesk will display a small notification or message indicating that the CSV file is being prepared, and it will be sent to your registered email address. This means that rather than downloading the file directly to your device from Zendesk, the system processes it and emails it to you. It's both a smart and secure way to manage your export needs. A key tip here is to ensure that the email address registered with your Zendesk account is valid and accessible. This way, once you request the CSV export, you'll be able to retrieve the file from your inbox without any hiccups. Once the email arrives, open it and download the CSV file to your device. From there, you can use a program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to open and further analyze this data. CSV files are versatile and can be manipulated to create reports, visuals, and more depending on your needs. Before we wrap up, remember that exporting tickets regularly can help stay on top of your customer interactions and support metrics. It's a routine that brings valuable insights. If at any point you face issues such as not receiving the email, double-check your spam folder or confirm that your email settings in Zendesk are up to date. And there you have it, a complete guide to exporting your Zendesk tickets in just a few clicks. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident in managing your Zendesk data. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more insightful tutorials just like this one. See you next time.